Hello everyone, my name is Sri from Father Services. We are going to discuss about the topic of HTML, hidden magnetic model in a Python to calculate how probably of an observed sequence in determine most likely sequence of hidden states. Example, weather conditions of must be or sunny or rainy. In such terms, we want to understand how likely a particular sequence of observation is given to the parameter of program implementation. Here we have the set of programs and codes to implement the experiment. Here the execution and the result. The probably observed sequence of output is 0.007053. It mostly like sunny and rainy. So the explanation is here we see an before 0.007053. It is an observed given sequence. The most likely sequence shows the probable hidden states like sunny and rainy. It suggests three rainy states, two sunny days, and one rainy. It has a set of applications like speech recognition, natural language processing, bioinformatics, weather prediction, finance. In speech recognition, it mapping the spoken words to text, natural language processing. It is the part of the speech relating and entire recognition. In bioinformatics, DNA sequence analysis and gene protection, weather prediction, estimate future weather state. In finance, predicting market trends and stock behavior.